1948. A dark beast roared into history, the Vincent Black Shadow. 125 miles per hour. Hand-built, feared, revered, the world's fastest bike of its time. Let's uncover the legend. The engine wasn't in the frame. It was the frame. No down tube, hydraulic forks, all black, all muscle, designed decades ahead. 998 cubic centimeters V-twin, 0 to 60 in 4 seconds, 55 horses in 1948, 150 miles per hour on the clock, built for speed. And 𝐒𝐿𝐲 rode like a rocket, low center, long seat, rear suspension smooth as silk, not just fast, handled. Only 1,700 made. Collectors dream of it. $100,000 plus at auction. It wasn't just a bike. It became a legend. A rebel in black. Fastest of its time. Timeless in design. The original Superbike. Vincent Black Shadow.